meeting wey happen here 2 weeks ago, all wetin happen here, the complaint of everything, a meeting.
The country rep for the Wongo Mining Company, Murtada Tunis, been talk to community people na Kumau village, Nimikoro Chiefdom, Kono district, inside one meeting Thursday, September 17, 2020, with this gold mining company, all with community people, na the Kotbari inside this village, outside the company get them headquarter.
We know the Yeribo complain, then we just forget about her. Why? Because we respect the people. We respect the people of this community. So anything where they come up with, we need for fair way for addressing.
This na meeting we happen as a result of one report we Black TV Online do for sake of bitter complain them with community people na this village lodge against the Wongo Mining Company to member them of parliament from the Committee on Mines and Mineral Resources during one meeting with this committee being all with community people them Wednesday, September 2, 2020.
Chinese and Canada this Kumaro here, they mean tell we say Kumaro where they don't cancel. Then we have to make it develop. Then they will make you say for life change. But we don't see nothing. Number one, the employment side. They know they take the border and they talk. Then they go put the employment. Then go put the people them far side and cow them. Two, we've been there also na agriculture and mining. We depend on. Now we then also the agriculture they will put people them don't make. Then they go first they don't bulldozer before they can ask. Would have been get a garden? They know they ask for so that get the garden before they walk it. They don't well all tea.
Community, we don't see community where they can do exploration. But this, they say mining. They can't do mining now. We don't have exploration for this ongoing mining. All of a sudden, they also tell we work there, they can't begin mine. Ongoing mining, they blast. Pass the whole mine, we can't blast too. We can't blast too. Now, community this, we don't to community. Then they say 20-something years, no hold as friend. Ongoing mining can't 20-something years, you don't hold somebody's friend. That's why they start with company. All the time they say 60% or only took more than they were in the room.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Party from Blande. For beginning the command for go seat exam. When an MPRC will go ask people, in fact, we're not the PRO. Because PRO between the community people and the company. We'll not go cry to them for the FOE from Motoka for go there MPRC over there. Me as a bike rider, chairman, me offer bike there. For them over there. Then 255.
That's now waiting community people na Kumao village been get for sake of the activity them of the Wongo Mining Company this BNTM. Now, this recent meeting between the community people na Kumao village and the Wongo Mining Company.
A man will come here, go to Tambaya, go other side for go find job for them in West East everything. But now the widow, how them go money live with them begin it. How they offer them money go education. That's Ongo at the big Ongo, the widow and the orphan, let them try airplane Kumoro in the 10 villages tomorrow. Because the widow and the orphan, they need the 10 villages tomorrow. Because they all live from this tomorrow. Do you know that I try for two?
The problem we Ongo are facing too, and they promise, we don't know account to, we don't know how to get. When we say the problem, they are come out. Now when they get regular meeting with we, for tell we say, now this are the problem. When I patient to it. Pass in bigger meeting there, with the message say, Ongo don't come, they don't tell we say, that they go for give you land, they go for give you this, they go for give you so.
But the country rep for the Wongo Mining Company been take the opportunity for respond to the community people and concern them one by one, and it been begin with the one we get for do with land where the community people say this company been promised for give them for make themselves carry on with them small scale mining activity them forget them living where them say till now this not happen yet.
As far as that piece of land is concerned, we notice say that it's still really amongst all other issues that it still really seems to be very core as primary or number one. Other issues they don't come up, but that piece of land issue, speaking of alternative livelihood, before speaker they talk about agriculture. So we are going to make sure we come true on that promise.
Mr. Tunis been carry on for beg the community people of Kumau village for wey them say this company not been gree for lend them motor car for transport some school picking them wey be they go sit the NPSC exam this BNTM.
Make I just take this 1 second. The pathway get for do them picking them business. Okay? Do ya make I apologize on behalf of the company. For company we don't do plenty for the community. For take picking them at school for go take exam, not for big problem, right? So do ya maybe at somewhere the information not reach to the right people. Okay? So do ya una forgive with that side.
Mr. Tunis been same way so defend in company. Usa he talk about the hospital where he say the Wongo mining company go start for bill for Kumau village just now.
As we dey speak, we got 3 acres outside of Kumarunaya where some 10 days ago so we give una 4.5 million for now una go clear the site. What to say be? Huh? Now Friday tomorrow now una declare it. Well you see, we are not hearing now. We have a clinic coming.
Most of the issues the way una don express now, to me I feel say most of them are legitimate issues. I think the way even the company don't acknowledge say therefore look into some of them things. So I want for all make we continue. Let we continue for the get this kind of dialogue.
Like those all to the talk show. Yes, Omina, be school, be hospital, or they look for anything there. We call it development. That one character at the time, I don't go build a school. I don't go build a hospital. Understand it? But all are there, I mean for community, or they glad it. But evidently they will not see the aid. Like this hospital now, we don't begin see food. We not say left to the morning, but tomorrow we will make something clean. Let us silent left over. Understand? Anyone they be under it, nobody sit down, no debate. If you want in the morning, we tell them now.
Although not just talk been take place inside this meeting between the Wongo mining company and the community people of Kumau village, but it look like say some community people look satisfied small with the mining company and explanation on the different concern them. Although it's still clear say community people the main concern when I for make this mining company give them some land where themselves could carry on with them small scale mining not get solution yet. Glad TV Online will continue for monitor situation between the Wongo mining company and community people na Kumau village. For Glad TV Online community worker from constituency 23 na Kumau village, Nimikoro Chiefdom, Kono district. Me na Abdullah Bla the report.